So the only way I've been able to find to do a color change on an Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is in Prusa Slicer. Let's say I want to do a color change on this bracket. So what we're going to do is we bring it in and we slice it. Then we got our slider bar here on the right. We're going to bring it down to the layer where we want to do the color change. There's a little plus sign right here. We click that plus sign. No, we don't click the plus sign. We click it with the right mouse button. And it's going to say add color change 600, but that one doesn't work. So you have to do add custom G code. And then you do an M601. That's a pause command. Now I've done this and it's worked. So that's the only way I can find to do a color change. Is not actually use an M600. It seems to ignore it, but do an M601. Now, if anyone else has had any success doing a color change with M600, let me know. Now, this is Prusa 2.7.0. In 2.6, when you right-click this, you also had another command here for adding a pause. They've removed that in 2.7 now. I ran that M601 command on this license plate frame when I switched to white. So that was my test piece for it.